owner of Marketing Design and Graphics of Alice.
When did you first open your business?
On July 7th of 2007.
What sparked your interest to open a sign company?
What sparked my interest was to be an entrepreneur and to be my own boss.
What makes your business unique?
Is that we provide vinyl graphics in a small community that no other sign company can usually do.
If you could give advice to someone opening their own business, what would you say?
I'd say make sure you get into administration, make sure you file your taxes on time, and make sure you know about government policy and regulations concerning your business. Take two.
Okay. Did you first open your When did you first open your business?
And July 7th of 2017. Oh no, 2007.
What sparked your interest to open it?
Debt.
Could think. Oh wait, sorry. Give any advice to young entrepreneurs?
Oh yes. Make sure you